Namaste, Namaha Te. I have identified that point in you where your Supreme resides. I bow with reverence to that Supreme in you. Namaste. Okay, friends, I welcome you all to this session of meditation in which the central theme is making inroads into your heart. In our previous sessions, we have done a very gradual transformation. Everything that we do has a urge rising in us. We can feel that urge. In this case, the urge rises somewhere from the belly or unknown depths of our body, and all these urges, they reach the heart. Heart is the place where they transform. Either they transform into a tamasic action, or they transform into a sattvic action, or they transform into a rajasic action. Tamasic are inertia, sattvic is spiritual, and rajasic is passion. This transformation, slowly and through a gradual process of meditation, we transformed into a sattvic thing, and it moved to our throat. So what we did, we visualized this urge into small little copper balls rising up from all over our body, just like the soda, the carbon dioxide bubbles rise up in a glass of soft drink or soda. Similarly, all these urges, we visualized, nothing happens of that sort, but we visualized that these things are moving up. And once they reach our heart, we visualized they get converted into silver balls, and from silver balls they reach our throat, and from throat they become diamonds and get studded all over our body. So the urge that rises in our stomach, we converted that into a feeling of bliss. From urge to bliss. This is what we have been doing in the past 15 to 20 sessions. Today we will go deeper on one aspect, the point of transformation. This entire urge transforms into a productive channel in our heart. Let us go and transform the heart. Let us focus on the heart, make inroads there, and then transform it. Okay, so to start, sit very comfortably, spine erect, in perfect balance, neither tilted to left or right, nor to front or back, nor pulled up, nor pushed down, absolutely comfortable. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit on a chair, whatever is comfortable to you. Rub both your hands very gently with each other. Focus on the feeling. What are you feeling? Are you feeling the softness of one hand on the other? Focus on that. Are you feeling the gentleness of one hand on the other? Focus on that. And then touch the index finger with the thumb, and in Chin Mudra, bring your hands down and place them on your knees or in your lap, wherever they are comfortable, facing upwards. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Slowly close your eyes. Focus on your feelings. Let the agitation of the mind die down. What are you feeling in your head? Calm, peace, settling. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Throw out all that is bothering you. Focus on the feelings. How are you feeling inside? The breath, notice the breath. It is becoming shallower. Feel the peace getting into your head and making your breath shallower. Very peaceful, very quiet. Now with closed eyes, imagine your parents very softly and silently coming and sitting in front of you. If we are sitting cross-legged on ground, imagine them also to be sitting cross-legged in front of you. Your mother is on to the left of your father, in front of you. They are facing you. And this image of theirs is not the latest. Say when you were a young child, very young. Your father was the most handsome person and your mother was the most beautiful lady on this earth. Imagine they both of them are sitting in front of you. Imagine what clothes they are wearing. The 60s, 70s, the latest fashion of their time. Imagine their faces. Focus on the face of your father, the young face. Do you notice him smiling? Yes, he is smiling. Make your image even more stronger. Fill in the colors. Focus on the eyes of your father. Notice the love he is showering on you. That love is coming out of his eyes and directly hitting your heart. What are you feeling in your heart? Feel the warmth. Notice the warmth which generates in your heart when the love of your father's eyes is hitting them. A direct connection. smile of the father and love in his eyes. Notice what your mother is doing. She is looking approvingly towards your father, turning her head to her left. And now she turns her head towards you. You feel a tug in your heart. Utmost love of the purest kind is being showered on you, and your heart is transforming with, and it is getting filled with that love. Her eyes, the most beautiful eyes on this earth. Imagine them to be showering love at you. And she gets up and puts her arms around you. What do you feel? Feel the warmth, the love, the tight embrace. It is the most beautiful feeling on this earth. She kisses on your forehead. She runs her fingers in your hairs. Feel the fingers on your head. Your mother. She goes back, sits there. Both of them raise their right hand in the mudra of giving you blessings. You can feel the light coming out of their hands and striking your heart. Love coming from their eyes, striking your heart. Focus on your heart. How big it has become. How full of love it has become. Unconditional love. Your parents' love resonates in you. It fills you with utmost sense of peace, love. You surrender. You surrender to the Almighty. There is whole and you are not separate from that whole. Let the whole take you and get things done through you. There are no conflicts. There are no likes. There are no dislikes. Feel the love in your heart. They both get ready to get up. Again, they come, touch your forehead. You felt their hands? Yes. And they go away onto your left. Put your focus between the shoulder blades of your back. What do you feel there? Are you feeling the hand of your mother always with you at this place. It has always been here, pulling you when you are in danger, pushing you when you don't do things you are supposed to do, and lovingly hitting on the back of your neck when you do something wrong. Feel this hand, and now focus on your heart. How much of love has come there? Have you noticed a smile breaking on your face? A permanent smile. And look towards your right. With closed eyes only, look towards your right. Your best friend walks in and he sits at the same place where your parents were sitting. His eyes throw a love of a different kind, but it is unconditional love. There is a bit of mischief in that love and a bit of adventure in that love. Acceptance, utmost surrender, and the two of you are one. Feel the love of your friend in your heart. Mitrata. Your heart is now full of love. Your parents have germinated the seeds by making inroads through their eyes in you. They have made you aware of that seed which is inside of you. Full of love. And then your friend, another huge quantity of love engulfs your heart. Your heart transforms. And now your friend, he winks at you, smiles the warmest of the smile, gets up, waves at you, and moves out from the left. Now focus on your heart and feel explore what you are feeling. Now, even if a stranger comes in front of you, your first urge will be, how can I help him? In your surroundings, let your heart explode and shower love on everyone who's passing by. Inside the building, outside the building. You got immeasurable love from your parents and from your friend. Now is the time to shower it on strangers and enemies. Keep focusing on your heart and keep discovering more and more love out there. Transform the heart. Realize that it is the whole, it is the creation which is flawless. It is we who can do wrong. The creation cannot do anything wrong. Accept everything. The earth has been encircling the sun for years and years and ages. Never has it stopped. It is so beautifully in rhythm, in layam. Everything is in lay. If you do something right, it is the creation which is making you do that. When you allow the creation to flow through you, you are the conduit. Fill your heart with these thoughts. I surrender. I love. I radiate love, unconditional love to every living, non-living being, because I have identified in them the spot where the creation is residing. I connect with that. This I in me connects with that creation. It is so beautiful. Fill your heart with love. Transform your heart. Drop all positions that you take. What you like today, you will dislike after some time. So drop both likes and dislikes. Ignore the conflict. Focus on love. Focus on only spreading love and receiving love from your friends and parents. Focus only on your heart, and your heart has only one substance, and that is love. Everything else gets transformed in this love. Very slowly open your eyes. Very slowly straighten your index finger. Very slowly straighten your thumb and bring your hands next to each other very slowly in front of your heart. Don't touch them. Focus on the feelings. How are you feeling? What is happening at the center of the palm of your left hand or the right hand? Can you feel immense heat getting generated? Now very slowly roll both hands as if those hands have a wad of cotton in them. Move up to the throat, to the nose, and put them onto your eyes. Not with pressure, but with very gently sealing all these sides so that no external light comes in, and what you see is absolute dark. And in this dark, the energy of the hands, it nourishes the eyes. Take a deep breath in and release. Release the remnants of all the dualities that are in you. Very slowly bring your hands down, put them in your lap, and open your eyes. Smile. Smile the broadest smile to yourself. Smile. Your congratulations. You have a transformed heart now. You will not hold on to anything. You will allow the cosmos through you to do things, and everything will be right. When the planets have not collided till now with each other, whatever the cosmos does has got nothing wrong in it. No one has got time to look and put obstacles in front of you. Cosmos is busy in establishing the order, the layam, the lay of Prakriti. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Tomorrow morning, we will do another exercise of transforming the heart and go even deeper than where we touched only we scratched only the surface. Tomorrow we will go even deeper. Thank you very much for watching. Namaskar.